Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another unboxing, and in today's video we're going to take a look at a new brand with their debut watch called Carte Blanche, and today we're going to take a look at their Ocean Diver. This is a vintage kind of inspired diver, and they're going to be live on Kickstarter at some stage this year. Last time I was in touch with the brand owner, he was mentioning that the preparations for the campaign were almost ready, so he should be live very soon. I'll put links into the description box below to the website and to their Facebook page for you guys to check them out. Now let's dive into the box and see what we have here. Actually, before we do that, wristwatch check. I am wearing my Hamilton Field khaki mechanical. I am wearing it on this gray, beautiful gray leather strap from a brand called Seven Friends, Seven Watches. They looked after me with this beautiful strap. I'll put a link into the description box below if you guys want to check them out. They do handmade premium leather straps. Amazing, really good. And one thing I want to show you guys, I also have, I'm not wearing this, I also have my Christopher Ward C65 vintage Trident. Now, from what I could gather, this takes a lot of inspiration from that, so I'm just bringing this. I haven't seen this, just for inspiration. Now let's take a look into the box and see what this looks like. I didn't bring my knife because this looked pretty straightforward to open. And also, last time when I was in touch with the owner, he said to me that he didn't have that many boxes, so this may come in a different box. Not the original, so just to kind of know what to expect. Oh, no, he did. But this is not the original box that the watch comes in. I should have, let me see, so I'm moving the camera there. There's a lot of paper there. Oh, and there is an envelope that says George. Beautiful. Now let me just get these out of the way for looking at the watch. And there's two envelopes, George and Jason. So this is probably going to go to Jason the watch guy, the next one. Now let's have a look here. What do I have in mind? And I think these are probably going to be the specs of the watch. Let's put this in the frame there. These are probably going to be the specs of the watch and the price. Okay. Yes, beautiful. So the Ocean Diver Deep Sea and the Ocean Diver Maldives, and this is going to be on Kickstarter. This is going to be 499 to 599 Swiss francs. I don't know what that's going to be in dollars. And this features the STP 111 Swiss movement, so it's a high beat 200 meter water resistance ceramic bezel insert, 41.5 dial, and you can actually read them. I don't have to read them out to you. And obviously we'll go through these in a little while, but let's take a look at the watch and see what we have here. Ooh, there you go. So a NATO strap, quite heavy, first impression. Very heavy, I would say. Just focus on that. Ooh, this is beautiful. I am liking this. Very nice. So let me see if it lives. And it does. Sorry about the silence there, guys. But I was a bit nervous that this might not be alive. So that crown screws in quite nicely. So this is just a prototype, and I can see the stem on the crown is quite long, so I don't want to force it too much, but it takes a bit of persuasion to put that in there. But this is it, guys. This is the vintage diver. Press clasp, I'm not entirely sure if that's going to change. So as you can see here, printed dial, Carte Blanche. Let me just get this closer. Hopefully this focuses. There you go. Oh, the bezel action is beautiful on this. I don't know why I'm so surprised, to be honest, but it is actually very nice. No backplate, slight, actually no, but it's just a little bit of a bounce. Yeah, guys, I'm actually quite impressed. It looks very nice and it has such a premium feel to it. The only slight disappointment that I would have is the fact that the dial is printed just and nothing applied, but overall it looks great. I like the way that the lugs kind of curve down. Carte Blanche at the back, kind of cool. I like the case back. It's quite simple, to be honest, but I like these little grooves here for opening the case back so you don't scratch it. So there's plenty of space where you can actually pull on that, put the case back pins. Yeah, that's actually very nice. I'll probably try this on a, I'm not a big fan of NATO straps in general, to be honest, but this actually looks really, really nice. Let me see how much inspiration it takes from the vintage. Oh, quite a bit. It's a bit more, it's a bit chunkier, as you can see, compared to my C65 Trident, and it is a slightly bigger. The bezel looks quite similar, not the same printing, but it's quite thin. Same pip. Yeah, I love this. I actually like this, guys. It's quite nice. Let's put it on wrist and see how it looks like. There you go. This is not sized, but I wouldn't be surprised if it is actually sized for my wrist. This is the second watch that I unboxed that it's actually perfectly sized for my wrist. And Carte Blanche there engraved. It's quite, the engraving is actually quite nice on the clasp. It feels quite nice on the wrist. It has a bit of a, it's a bit heavy, I want to say at first glance, but this is just me after taking off the Hamilton. But it does feel premium and it feels well put together. Also, just push pins to release on the bracelet. Very nice. And I think, no, this is not, it feels, I thought it was, for a second there, I thought it was a diver's extensions, but it is not. Still, this actually looks quite nice. I'm liking this. I'm going to give this a try, guys, for a few days. I had this in my house for a few days. I just didn't get around to unboxing it. I'm gonna wear this for a couple of weeks, probably a week or so, and stay tuned if you want to see the full review for this guy. Once again, I'll put all the relevant links into the description box below. And this has been the Ocean Diver from Carte Blanche. Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. Click a like. Please subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any future videos. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.